Welcome to Falls at Hickory. This is D.R. Horton's newest community here in Catawba Valley. This community has 5 different home plans, different floor plans to suit you and your family's needs. Some of these floor plans have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and they go all the way up to 5 bedrooms with 3 baths. The kitchen features either quartz countertops or granite. Some of the homes have lofts in them, while others even have a bedroom on the main level. These homes range from between 1,600 square feet all the way up to 2,400 square feet. The community here features a dog park, and it also has an additional park for your enjoyment and relaxation. The community is only minutes away from restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. Currently, they're selling 17 homes, but they are building every week. The community is going to consist of 94 homes in total. Your current investment is in the mid $300,000 range. If you use their preferred lender, you can get 5.99% interest with an FHA, USDA, or a VA mortgage. And you can get 6.25% interest on a conventional mortgage. In addition to that, you get $10,000 flex cash. Okay, I know you guys are dying to see the community, so let's go tour this community.